What's up, guys? So this is going to be fun. It's going to be a very basic video, but it's also going to be a very fun video. So I have been using the Logitech G710 as my main keyboard for maybe 2 years or so now, and it's great. But when we moved everything upstairs to the office, I decided to leave on Dad's computer my G710 Plus and my G402, both of which are great peripherals and a lot better than what he used to have, but that also gives me reason to do some upgrading. And so in this video, we are going to be replacing my temporary G213. The G213 is my backup keyboard, which is still a very nice keyboard. It's RGB, but it is membrane. But we are going to be going with this bad boy right behind me. And I've been watching one of these for quite a while, and finally pulled the trigger on this absolutely ridiculously expensive keyboard. This is the Corsair K70 Mark II, fully mechanical RGB keyboard, and I cannot wait to get my hands on this thing. This thing is super awesome, and so let's rock and roll. Alright, so I'll give you a real quick tour of the desk. We have our barcode scanner over here, keyboard and mouse, which will both be getting upgraded soon. I have my wireless charging pad. The tablet holder is housing the switch, and then on the side we have the headphone holder holding our Audio-Technica headphones. Hey, thanks for following along. This is a big one off the list. I have 2 more days until my chair gets here. I cannot wait. That's going to be awesome. I also ordered a 2-tier end table so I can get rid of the stool that my scanner is sitting on, so I'll have a lower tier for the laser printer and then the upper tier for the scanner printer. And then we'll get some retro stuff set up on the desk over the other side. I've got a keyboard behind me that needs to get unboxed and set up, so once I get all that stuff done, I'll go through and do the cable management, because there's no point in cable managing and then adding stuff or taking stuff away and having to redo it all. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Alright, let's see how this works if you end up going for a ride at the tripod. Let's go. So we've got Gold Contact Cherry MX Mechanicals. These are RGB brown. Fast, responsive tactile feedback. Aircraft grade anodized brushed aluminum frame. 8 meg onboard profile storage. And let me tell you, the box has good weight to it. Now, it's not a wireless keyboard. I'm really not concerned about having a wireless keyboard. Because it won't be... It's going to be... Productivity workstation is going to be pretty steady. Beautiful braided dual USB cable. And hoping we have pass-through, at least one pass-through on here, because that'll make it a lot easier for me. Look at that. It's not bad. I actually kind of like that. The problem that I have with my G710, it took so long to get used to it because of the clicky. When you're not used to that from using cheap keyboards. I also really like the roller for volume, which is the same as what's on the 710. So, pretty good click there. Yeah, I think I'm going to like this. So we have the keyboard itself. And we have instruction manual. We have WASD and EQ, RF, WD. Basically ones that let you stand out, your WASDs. I don't play PC games, and on the rare occasion I do not use the keyboard. So those will stay in the box. I will not and use those. And then we are going to try installing the wrist rest to see if I like it or if it's right to be at the wall. So let's go swap out the 213 and the K70. Alright, so the 213 I am a little disappointed with, but it's still a really nice keyboard. But for 60 bucks I would have liked a little bit more, especially for one that's supposed to be a membrane that feels like a mechanical. They could have done a little bit more at the price point that they marketed at. The wrist rest just snaps in to the front. It has a this clips it, plastic clips is all this. So we have our duo. This in the hand scanner. More cable storage. Any questions? We have two of these. Cool. Hey! We have life! We have RGB goodness. Now in fairness, I will read the manual and get a better idea on how all this works. First thing, just trying and typing on it. It's not that. I like that. Wrist rest feels a little weird. I may take that off. That type's really long. I mean, for what this thing costs, it should. Out this list. I think I just like to look a bit better without the wrist rest. Lights on and off. That's cool. RGB. The way. Okay, yes, I'm having fun. I spent a ton of money on this keyboard. I'm going to have fun with the RGB on it. So cool. This is really cool. This is part of living our best life and getting this set up and getting this going and having fun with it. This is part of it. go almost the entire day without coughing, and then just get a bunch of stuff built up down in there, and you spend nothing but 10 minutes just hacking left and right. Oh man. Alright. I am super stoked to have this up and running. I've been looking at the K70s for several years, but it's really, really hard. I think I spent 130 on it. It's just really hard to justify for a keyboard, but I'm super glad that I pulled the trigger on it. This thing is awesome, and I can't wait to have fun with this thing. So, thanks for humoring me. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time, and live your best life. Have fun. Stay safe, and we will see you next time.